Col Mathule Mathiba. My name is Lynette Mudewe. This is Selim Nyabutiko and Irene. We are coming from Zimbabwe Activists Alliance and concerned citizens all over the world. We are here to present a petition that was signed by more than 100 people, Zimbabweans, South Africans, and all over the world, who are saying no to xenophobia attacks in South Africa. We must be able to solve our issues amicably and not kill each other as Africa. Africa is one continent. It's just the partition and the scramble of Africa.
Please open the gate.
Thank you.
Thank you.
True. The South African people, the African people, to say we need to unite and stop attacking each other. We are one family, we are one people, we are black people, we come from the same continent. Just because we have got borders that were created by imperialists, it must never make us be different people. We are Pan-African.
Africa is one.
South Africa is pro-Pan-Africanism. Zimbabwe is pro-Pan-Africanism. Nigeria is pro-Pan-Africanism. We need to unite. So we are saying we need to stop this xenophobic attack.
And whatever is happening in South Africa, it's really bad.
So we need to have clear messages coming from authorities to stop what is happening in South Africa before it goes out of hand. It starts with one country and it will spread to all other countries. Here we are at a South African embassy in Zimbabwe. This resembles the relationship that Zimbabwe has.